Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and guess what weekend it is? Fall Bike Week 2023. We were coming down here to the Boulevard to show you some of the bikes that were coming in, but unfortunately, Mother Nature had a different decision. So we stopped in at Legends right here on the Boulevard, right across from the Funplex. We were going to sit outside, but I think the last time that we came and filmed Legends, it was also raining. Not only is it Fall Bike Week 2023, but there's also a classic car show going on, and they come up and down this boulevard all night long. Now I'm going to show you the menu so you'll know what you want to eat whenever you come here. And remember, if you do decide to visit the Boulevard, on Friday and Saturday nights, they may have different parts of the Boulevard closed off. So just make sure you check it out before you make that turn. So as our appetizers, we decided to go with mozzarella cheese sticks. Those are so delicious. And then whenever my boneless chicken wings came out, you could smell the hot and sassy. And they smell so delicious. Oh, I got blue cheese, and Beatbox went with ranch. And look, you get a good bit for $13.99. That's not bad at all. Delicious.
And I got the sweet teriyaki, right?
Mm-hmm.
Sweet teriyaki with ranch. None of that blue cheese, just ranch. Yum.
Ooh, and these have some kick. Not as hot as that Satan sauce, but they do have a kick. If you're looking for a sports bar, Legends has TVs all over the place. And I'm sure they would love to play your Gamecocks, Carolina, Tennessee, anything, Georgia. Just ask them and they'll put it on. Well, we promised you bikes in the restaurant, so we're going to take a walk on the Boulevard and see if we can catch some bikes out tonight. Let's go check them out. And we're right here beside the Yachtsman. And we did do a video on like what are motels and stuff that are close and walking distance and everything. So we need to do that again, Big Box. That was pretty good. But look.
Did you say beatbox?
I did say beatbox.
Like you said, big box. All right. Do we need to cross here?
Nope, let's stay on
this side.
Yeah. We might cross in a few minutes up there by the Pancake House. Remember, that was good.
The Olympic flame.
Yes.
If you notice, you can see part of the sky wheel behind the Yachtsman there. We'll try to make our way around.
All right, well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you too can keep beaching. See you in the next video.